Have you ever wondered how to not just manage but truly thrive while living with diabetes? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping individuals with diabetes lead fulfilling and healthy lives. In today's video, we're tackling the topic of living well with diabetes, essential tips for everyday wellness. Living with diabetes can present unique challenges, but it's entirely possible to overcome them and live a vibrant life with the right guidance and support. That's why we're here, to provide you with practical tips, expert advice, and encouragement to help you navigate the ups and downs of managing diabetes with confidence. Are you ready to take control of your health and well-being? By subscribing to our channel, you're taking the first step towards a healthier, happier life with diabetes. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to making positive changes and supporting each other along the way. Throughout this video series, we'll be answering some of your most pressing questions about diabetes management and sharing essential tips for everyday wellness. From healthy eating habits and exercise tips to stress management techniques and building a strong support network, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey towards better health and wellness with diabetes, hit that subscribe button now and join us on this exciting adventure. Together, we can learn, grow, and thrive with diabetes, understanding diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body processes glucose, sugar, leading to high blood sugar levels. There are different types of diabetes, including type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, resulting in little to no insulin production. Type 2 diabetes occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin to maintain normal blood sugar levels. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy and can increase the risk of complications for both mother and baby. Regardless of the type, diabetes requires careful management to prevent complications such as heart disease, kidney failure, and nerve damage. This includes monitoring blood sugar levels, following a healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, and taking medications as prescribed. Understanding diabetes is the first step towards effective management and maintaining overall health. Importance of lifestyle management. Lifestyle management plays a crucial role in diabetes care. By adopting healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, individuals with diabetes can better control their blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Regular physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity and promotes weight loss, while stress management techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help lower blood pressure and improve overall well-being. Making these lifestyle changes not only improves diabetes management, but also enhances overall quality of life. With consistent lifestyle management, individuals with diabetes can lead healthier and more fulfilling lives. Healthy eating habits. Maintaining healthy eating habits is essential for managing diabetes effectively. Focus on consuming a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while limiting processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-fat foods. Portion control is also key, as it helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes weight management. Incorporating fiber-rich foods can aid in digestion and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Additionally, spacing out meals evenly throughout the day and avoiding skipping meals can prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. By prioritizing healthy eating habits, individuals with diabetes can better control their blood sugar levels and improve overall health and well-being. Monitoring blood sugar levels. Regularly monitoring blood sugar levels is vital for effectively managing diabetes. This helps individuals track how their bodies respond to various foods, medications, and activities. Utilizing a glucose meter allows for quick and easy monitoring, enabling prompt adjustments to diet or medication as needed to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Keeping a record of blood sugar readings can provide valuable insights into patterns and trends over time, facilitating better diabetes management. By staying vigilant with blood sugar monitoring, individuals with diabetes can take proactive steps to prevent complications and maintain optimal health. Importance of regular checkups. Regular checkups are essential for individuals with diabetes to monitor their overall health and detect any potential complications early on. Healthcare providers can conduct comprehensive assessments, including blood tests, eye exams, and foot checks, to assess diabetes control and screen for complications such as cardiovascular disease, kidney problems, and nerve damage. These checkups also provide an opportunity to review medication regimens, discuss lifestyle modifications, and address any concerns or questions. By staying proactive with regular checkups, individuals with diabetes can optimize their management plan, prevent complications, and maintain long-term health and well-being. Building a support system. Having a strong support system is invaluable for individuals living with diabetes. Surrounding oneself with understanding family members, friends, and healthcare professionals can provide emotional support, encouragement, and practical assistance in managing the challenges of diabetes. Support groups or online communities can offer a sense of belonging and a platform to share experiences, tips, and resources. Additionally, involving loved ones in diabetes management can enhance accountability and promote healthier lifestyle choices. By building a supportive network, individuals with diabetes can navigate the journey with greater confidence, resilience, and empowerment, knowing they are not alone in facing the challenges of diabetes. As we conclude our discussion on living well with diabetes, it's clear that effective management requires a holistic approach that encompasses healthy lifestyle habits, regular monitoring, and proactive healthcare involvement. By implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video, individuals with diabetes can take control of their health and improve their quality of life. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Our channel is dedicated to providing valuable resources, support, and inspiration to help you navigate life with diabetes with confidence and resilience. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a wealth of information and join a community of like-minded individuals committed to living their best lives with diabetes. Don't miss out on future content aimed at empowering you to thrive with diabetes. Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this journey towards better health and wellness. Together, we can conquer diabetes and embrace each day with positivity and vitality.